A very warm welcome to Mrs. Padma ma'am, Annie ma'am, Sureka ma'am, and all my dear teachers.
Hi, I'm Shreya Gupta.
Hi, I'm Tanusha.
Good food is good mood. As they say, most tasty food is not healthy and most healthy food is not tasty. Is this true? So let's perform an analogy by comparing a human body and a motor vehicle. If we take good care of our motor vehicle, give it good fuel, safe driving habits, then the vehicle will last longer. In the same way, if we eat healthy, wake up at time, sleep at time, we will live longer and stay a lot more healthy.
Exactly, and also good food also keeps us away from the diseases. Junk food is only found in 3 places: here, there, and everywhere. But healthy food is only found in one place, which is our sweet home. So, you all decide whether we should eat good food, healthy food, or eat the junk food. Thank you.
जय जिनेंद्र। आप सबों ने सबों तरफ थी घनी खम्मा। आज वे लोग आपरे वास्ते राजस्थान रो खास खाकरा रो चाट, मिठाई, ढोकला, घाट ने घनी कुछ बनायूं है ने अन्य हाथी इलायची ने लवंग रूपोनी पण पावान हो ने मोरी हाथनियों एक नृत्य पण करवान है। तो वेगा किदा वना जट अपना कार्यक्रम चालू करो। धन्यवाद।
न जाओ जी, मन बीत कराओ जी, रा क्यों तरसावे हो, मन सकल दिखाओ जी। थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी, हर सले उन बंगा दी मैं कह लगे मर इबड़ में जागी धोकनी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में पाती को सीरे झुम झुम झुम।
मिश्री तुम्ही की बाता थारी मन है प्रेम को झरणों सा, कांच दिखा तू शर्मा जावे ऐसो रूप सजीलो।
बनी थारो चांद सरी तो मुखड़ो कोई नजर नहीं लग जाए, बनी थोड़ा हलवे हलवे चालो कोई मोच नहीं पड़ जाए। बनी थारो चांद सरी तो मुखड़ो कोई नजर नहीं लग जाए, बनी थोड़ा हलवे हलवे चालो कोई मोच नहीं पड़ जाए।
केसर की थे क्यारी लागो रंग भरी थे थारी सा, खूब जाव सुनिर खा था न चाल थारी मतवाड़ी।
बनी थारा केस है कामण गारा, बनी थारा केस है कामण गारा, मारो तो मन उड़ जाए। बनी थारी आँखियाँ है मतवाली, बनी थारी आँखियाँ है मतवाली, मारो तो मन बहकाए। बनी थारी जद पायलड़ी बाजे, मारो तो मन हरसाए। बनी थारो रूप लगेला खीणो, बनी थारो रूप लगेला खीणो, तन देख बनाओ।
I think after a long time, I really had fun watching the kids dance, watching you people have fun in this school campus, right? So I think you're going to have a good time even sharing your different cultures and the food with the judges as well as your other teachers, okay? But I really feel very happy sharing this, that the school was really devoid of all this fun and laughter for the last 400 to 500 days, I would say. Correct? But today, The vibrance is really rocking the campus, and the multimedia room is back to a lot of fun, right? So a big thanks to Rekha ma'am and all your Hindi faculty team. Rekha ma'am, your Hindi team needs a big round of applause because I think they have supported you in arranging this event so beautiful. So I do hope you will enjoy sharing your culture and tradition. And I was also very happy that you also have shared the language here, correct? So how did you feel? Since when are you practicing for this event? 1 week. So only 1 week you could do so much, isn't it? So I think we can plan for events even in shorter notice. This is the confidence that I have got now. Annual days we usually plan it for a long period of time, right? So this is a small annual day for me today, correct? So thank you so much. We have fun now. You also have fun, but in the same way, see to it that you focus on the language you're going to use for your presentation, the way you present, right? So thank you so much. Have a good day. All the best.
Adulterated basically means like if we take two items, if we take wheat flour and chalk powdered, so if we see in roadsides and everything, we can see that they adulterate the food. Instead of making wheat chapatis, they might have used some chalk powder which uses the same, which we can see the same. The appearance of it would be same, but we can't notice what happens inside the body.
See, adulterated food is one example what she just quoted. So chalk powder is cheaper. So to make more profits, what they do is they mix chalk powder with a little of wheat flour. So the flour is more, they can make more number of chapatis and the profits would be more. In the same way, they bring in all the raw fruits and they ripen it with some chemicals. You can see that happening with watermelons. You can see it happening with bananas, right? All these are adulterated with chemicals. So that is the reason what ma'am wanted to tell is traditional food and the food available outside, there is a lot of difference. Traditional food mostly is made at home, and at home your parents or whoever is cooking will make sure that the food is good enough and it is not adulterated. And also, as ma'am was suggesting, homemade masalas, you know what you're putting into the masalas at that time. But if you buy packets, nowadays you get ginger garlic paste or you get any other masalas from outside, but we do not know what they use to preserve it, the chemicals that they use to preserve it. Those chemicals are very harmful to your body, right? So this lesson should be something that you share with your parents at home and make sure that you do not buy such ready-made junk from outside. Instead, we can have homemade food which is going to be very, very healthy, right? COVID has brought in a lot of new lessons to be learned and also old lessons to be revived, right? So we need to go back to our grannies who used all the good traditional ways of cooking. Okay, so will you all forward this lesson to your friends, your parents, your uncles and aunts? Everybody? Okay, so all of you are ready for the competition. So let's start, Rekha ma'am. So we start with table number 1.
మేము ఆంధ్ర రాష్ట్ర ప్రజలము. మేము సాంబార్, టమాటో చట్నీ, వడ, ఇడ్లీ, పూతరేకులు మరియు బాదం పాలు, పులిహోర తీసుకొచ్చాము. దానికి ముందు ఆంధ్ర రాష్ట్రం గురించి, దాని గొప్పదనం గురించి 4 మాటలు. ఆంధ్ర రాష్ట్రం భారతదేశంలోని ఒక ఆగ్నేయ తీర ప్రాంతం. విస్తీర్ణంలో ఆంధ్ర రాష్ట్రం అతిపెద్ద 8వ రాష్ట్రం. కోహినూర్ వంటి ప్రపంచ ప్రసిద్ధి చెందిన వజ్రాలు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లోనే లభించాయి. మద్రాసులోని తెలుగువారి కోసం పొట్టి శ్రీరాములు గారు నిరాహార దీక్ష చేసి భాషపరంగా ఆంధ్ర రాష్ట్ర అవతరణ గావించారు. నేను సాంబార్ మరియు టమాటో చట్నీని తెచ్చాను. సాంబార్లో అనేక రకమైన కూరగాయలు, పప్పు దినుసులు మరియు పోపు దినుసులు ఉన్నాయి. మన జాతీయ జెండా ఈ రంగులు మాదిరి సాంబార్లో కూరగాయలు, పప్పు దినుసులు మరియు పోపు దినుసులు ఉన్నాయి. సాంబార్లో ముఖ్యంగా వాడే పసుపు, చింతపండు రసం, కరివేపాకు మరియు కొత్తిమీర మనకు రోగ నిరోధక శక్తిని పెంచుతాయి. మా మెన్యూలో ఇంకొకటి టమాటో చట్నీ. టొమాటోలో లాకోపెన్ అని ఒక పదార్థం ఉంది. అది సూర్యుడి నుంచి వచ్చే అతి నీల లోహిత కిరణాలు అంటే యూవి రేస్ నుంచి మనల్ని కాపాడుతుంది. అది కాకుండా టమాటోస్లో పొటాషియం, విటమిన్ బి మరియు డి వంటి చాలా పోషకాలు ఉంటాయి. ధన్యవాదాలు. మా ఆతిథ్యాన్ని స్వీకరించండి.
So I think we need to sing a song here. Vivaha Bhojanambu Indu Vantakambu. So many dishes to taste over here today, right? So good explanation.
मैम ये राजस्थान का स्पेशल खाकरा से हमने चाट बनाया है और ये मक्खी के ढोकले हैं विद कड़ी और ये खजूर पाक और माथर
कलाकंद.
मैम ये घाट है मैम, 2 अलग तरह की.
हाँ मैम, राजस्थान में जहाँ भी जाओ आप, नहीं मैम वो सिर्फ जूस के टाइप आता है मैम, लौंग इलायची का पानी मैम. ये मक्की का ढोकले है मैम. यस मैम. मैम हल्दी और दी से मैम. या हाँ मैम, हम लोग ज़्यादा खाकरा को नहीं कह सकते हेल्दी फूड, बट खमन ढोकला और मिठाई को हेल्दी फूड कह सकते हैं हम लोग. मैम होते हैं मैम, बट ज़्यादा खाने से नहीं मैम, हमको लिमिटेड खाना चाहिए मैम, लाइक 2 या 3 मैम. हाँ मैम. हाँ मैम. हाँ मैम, दादी से लेकर अब तक चल रहा है मैम ये ट्रेडिशन. हाँ मैम.
लौंग और इलायची मैम इसमें नहीं मैम, ये सिर्फ प्लेटिंग के लिए हमने यूज़ किया है. हाँ मैम. मैम ये मक्खी से बनता है और मक्खी और दही से बनता है मैम. घाट मैम, घाट. नो मैम. हाँ मैम.
ഈ കടലക്കറി വന്നിട്ട് ബ്ലാക്ക് ചെന്ന എന്ന് പറയും ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ. ആ ചെന്ന വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കടലക്കറി ഉണ്ടാക്കും. ഇതിൽ നമ്മൾ വെജിറ്റബിൾസ് ചേർക്കും, സ്പൈസസ് ചേർക്കും. പിന്നെ ഇത് വന്നിട്ട് ബനാന ചിപ്സ്. ഈ റോ ബനാനേനെ വന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ വെളിച്ചെണ്ണയിൽ ഫ്രൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അത് നല്ല ടേസ്റ്റായിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അപ്പോൾ എണ്ണയിൽ വന്നിട്ട് വറുത്തിട്ട് നമ്മളിത് വന്നിട്ട് കഴിക്കും. ഇത് വന്നിട്ട് ഉണ്ണിയപ്പം. ഇതും റൈസ് ഫ്ലവർ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാക്കും. ഇതിൽ തേങ്ങ പിന്നെ ജാംഗ്രി ഇതൊക്കെ ചേർക്കും. ജാംഗ്രിയിൽ വന്നിട്ട് സിങ്ക് വന്നിട്ട് കുറേ ഉണ്ടാവും. ഇത് വന്നിട്ട് പായസം, നമ്മൾ മലയാളത്തിൽ പരിപ്പ് പായസം എന്ന് പറയും. ഈ പരിപ്പ് പായസം വന്നിട്ട് ഈ യെല്ലോ ദാൽ ഉണ്ടാവില്ലേ, ആ ദാൽ വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കും. ഈ പായസത്തിന് വന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ജാംഗ്രി ചേർക്കും. താങ്ക് യു, നന്ദി.
Thank you so much. Either one, I mean, it's only made with puttu is rice flour.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it very healthy?
Yes, ma'am. It's really healthy because it's steamed, ma'am.
That's the most important thing. Steamed food, okay? Steamed food is always good for health. In the same way, well, they said idli. Idli is also steamed. It's good for health. So you should avoid fried foods and you should have more of steamed food. Right. Thank you. Both of you have done a good job. Thank you.
प्रदेश से है, पर पानी पूरी के स्वाद लेने से पहले उसके बारे में कुछ जाने। पानी पूरी में सुगंधित पानी, मिर्च पाउडर, चाट मसाला और प्याज, आलू मैश के मिश्रण है। क्या आप जानते हो कि पानी पूरी की आविष्कार हमारी पुरानी कथा महाभारत में ही हुआ था? हाँ, कुंती के चुनौती के जवाब में द्रौपदी ने पानी पूरी के आविष्कार किया था। पानी पूरी के नाम जगह जगह से बदलता रहता है, जैसे कि नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज या पाकिस्तान, दिल्ली वह गोलगप्पा कहते हैं। ये डिश सबसे बहुत प्यार है। धन्यवाद।
But you know, there is a kind of saying, you know, we usually don't encourage our kids to eat pani puri from the roadside, isn't it? Can I have a spoon? Thank you. Who made this? No? Your team made it? Not your parents? Who made it, I'm asking? Your parents? Yes, yes. So we have to give a big thanks to your parents also. Thank you for a yummy.
મારું નામ શ્રેયા ગુપ્તા છે. અજાન્યા ફૂડ ફેસ્ટી માટે અહિમ ખમણ, જલેબી, થેપલા, ખાખરા और સુગંધી લાવું છું. મને ગુજરાત રાજ્ય ખબર છે, તેથી मैं गुजराती परंपरागत ड्रेस અને જ્વેલરીમાં છું. તો તમે શું ખાઓ છો? मैम, गुजरात का स्पेशल ये खमन ढोकला है. खमन ढोकला बेसन से बनता है. इसको बेसन में पानी मिला के उसको स्टीम कर देते हैं और फिर हम लोग उसको इडली स्टैंड या फिर ढोकला स्टैंड में डाल के गैस ऑन करके बना देते हैं. फिर उसके ऊपर गार्निशिंग के लिए आप धनिया पत्ता, कोरिएंडर, मस्टर्ड लीव्स कुछ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. हाँ मैम. चटनी, हरी चटनी, इसमें धनिया, पुदीना सब मिला के, थोड़ा जिंजर, थोड़ा मिर्च, थोड़ा गरम मसाला सब मिलाकर पीस कर बनाया है. थेपले, थेपले आटे में मेथी मिलाते हैं, उसमें पानी मिलाते हैं, उसका आटा बना के उसको बेल के रोटी की तरह सेक देते हैं. उसके साथ हम मिर्ची खाते हैं, आम का अचार खाते हैं, गुजराती का मीठा खट्टा अचार खाते हैं. हाँ मैम. मैं निहार हूँ।
मैं रोहन हूँ और मैं किरण हूँ।
Nihar, do you know the history of pav?
Yes, of course. If you want to know, I will tell it. So, pau is a common delicacy of the Portuguese. They actually shared it with us when they colonized Goa. So, it is a common Portugal delicacy of which is pau, from the word pau of Portuguese. Now, here is Tanusha to tell about the bhaji, of what it is made of and the ingredients.
Yeah, bhaji is a traditional Indian special curry. It is made up of many Indian sweets which are tradition and also ancient times, and also it's made up of very ingredients like many vegetables and etc. like potato, carrot and everything you can see here. So everything is used and it is a very tasty and healthy food. So here is a wonderful plate of pav bhaji waiting for you.
Yes, so this is from Maharashtra. So from your words, I can understand that the Portuguese had a big influence on the Mumbai people, right? So the bread, that was actually called as pav. Okay, pav. This is the pav and this is the bhaji. So it's a mix of two cultures, the Portuguese and the Indian, correct? Right. Now also I think when you go to Mumbai, you can fill your stomach with pav bhaji and stay for the whole day. That's a, very heavy food. Okay. Thank you so much. Well done. Oh, you can have toppings also. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. And you also have fruits kept here. Shall I take it later? Okay. Thank you so much.
నా పేరు యశిక. నా పేరు సర్వాణి. నా పేరు అభినవ్. నా పేరు పీరితిక్. నమస్కారం, నా పేరు పీరితిక్. మాది ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో ముఖ్యంగా తినే వంటకం ఇడ్లీ. ఈ ఇడ్లీలను ఎన్నో రకాలుగా తయారు చేస్తారు. రాగి ఇడ్లీ, సేమియా ఇడ్లీ, మినీ ఇడ్లీ మొదలైనవి. వీటిని ముందుగా మినప్పప్పు మరియు ఇడ్లీ రవ్వను తీసుకుంటారు. ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపి వచ్చిన పిండిని ఆవిరి మీద ఉడకపెడతారు. ఇడ్లీలు ఆరోగ్యానికి ఎంతో మంచివి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
ఇప్పుడు మా స్నేహితులు ఇక్కడున్న ఫుడ్ గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నారు.
నేను మలై కాజా గురించి చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. మలై కాజా పాలకోవా మరియు మైదాతో తయారు చేయబడుతుంది. ఇది ఆంధ్రాలోని ఫేమస్ స్వీట్. దీన్ని అందరూ ఎంతో ఇష్టంగా తింటారు. ఇది చాలా రుచిగా ఉంటుంది.
यहाँ का पानी पूरी बड़ा मशहूर बा। एक बिहारी सब पे भारी। हमरे बिहार के 3 महत्वपूर्ण बात: संपदा, संस्कृति और संस्कार। हमारी तरफ से आप सबको नमस्कार।
Okay. So yes, Bengal sweet is very, very famous all over the country, not only in the country but all over the world. So it's called as rasgulla or rasgoda? Rasagulla. Rasgulla. Thank you so much. Okay, we will take it later. बाद में खाएंगे, बाद में ले लेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? Thank you so much, friend. And we have the boys also dressed up differently. They look out of place for me now. Is it? Okay.
Ma'am, actually Chinese noodles are known as chow mein, ma'am, and they are different from Japanese noodles. Japanese noodles are known as ramen, ma'am, which have more soup and more broth to it with a bit complex ingredients. And Chinese noodles like chow mein are stir fried and have chopped vegetables, and they are a bit simpler than the ramen. And actually noodles are healthy, ma'am. They are considered to be healthy because they have wheat flour and vegetables. It's the instant noodles that are unhealthy, ma'am, because they are deep fried and have a lot of different types of spices to it. And sometimes they don't put the correct ingredients on the pack, so that we don't know the exact ingredients. So it's better to make them at home, ma'am. Plus, noodles were originated in China around 4,000 years ago, which is at 2000 BC. And so they're actually, and they used to be a luxury item before they became at budget-friendly takeout options.
Ma'am, there is actually a museum for ramen noodles, ma'am, in Japan, ma'am. They show about the beginning of ramen and how it was made, ma'am. And there is also National Ramen Day, ma'am, on April 4th, ma'am, and National Noodle Day is on October 6th, ma'am.
घनी खम्मा आप हैंगोरे में राजस्थानी स्टॉल में स्वागत है। ये हैंगी आपको बहुत ताकत है, ये हैंगी आपको ताकतरी चीज़ है, तो आप एक टेस्ट करो। ये बहुत और रोटा दाल है। हम लोग हिंदी में अपन दाल बाटी को क्या है को आटा नहीं बना हुआ, आटा ने गूंदने ने हमने बेक करो पे ने दाल पण बहुत है ताकत है। और वो वरियाली पौनी है और वरियाली ने शक्कर थी बने शक्कर हाँ।
ગુજરાતમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે। અહીં આપને ગુજરાતમાં જઈ રહ્યા છે। ગુજરાત का खास वानगी जे खमण ढोकला। आवो અને સ્વાદ લો, તમારે વાસ્તે તૈયાર છે।
Found in Indo-Chinese, the materials required for making Manchurian is chopped vegetables, ginger, garlic paste plus salt, pepper, onions, and the balls of making balls of Manchurian. It should be fried in the oil.
And I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart all your parents who have really taken the pain to help you come down ready for this event. A big round of applause to all your parents. Each one of your parents has really taken the trouble of cooking the food and also helping you get dressed and also helping you in guiding with the right kind of presentation. Each state has its own way of presentation, and I really had good stories to carry off today because I didn't know that Pani Puri had something related with Mahabharata. This was something new for me, a new lesson. So when you go down to each one of the tables, you will understand, you will know more about the food, the stories behind it, right? So when I came here, I understood that why they are always preferring, like, they prefer to sit down and have their lunch or food. Why is it? The posture is very, very important while you eat, isn't it? So that is the reason, that is the way we sit and eat. When I came to Andhra, it was the steamed idlis. Whenever it is idlis at home, we all make frowning faces. Yes or no? but the science behind it is very nutritious. Steamed food is very, very good for your health. In the same way, Gujarat ka dhokla. Dhokla also is a steamed food item which is very good for health, right? In the same way, Rasgulla from Bengal or Somp water from Rajasthan again. The noodles also, we always feel it's a junk food, but it has got some nutritious facts with it. But it should be coming down from the homemade noodles and not the preserved noodles that we buy from the shops, right? So good lessons learned today, and a big thanks to everybody. Had a good lunch today. Thank you.